Good morning, children, and welcome to our English class. In the poem Wake Up, we learned about waking up early and about the animals that were already awake before the child, isn't it? What do you see in the picture? It's the rising sun, which means the beginning of a new day. Each morning is a gift of God, and we must be thankful for it. Who is this? A cock usually crows in the morning to give a wake up call. What do you see here? Yes, you guessed it right. It's an alarm clock. We set time to wake up or to do other work. Do you all like to wake up early? If yes, then good. But some of us like to sleep some more time. Children, today we shall learn about a girl who wanted to sleep for a longer time in the lesson Neha's alarm clock. Students, I shall tell you the story of Neha. One day, Neha was sleeping. Her clock rings at 6 in the morning. Neha, covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under a warm blanket. Children, snuggles means to cover under something for the sake of warmth. She mutters to herself. Mutters means to speak in a low voice. She says, "This clock rings at 6 and pulls her out of the bed." She wished that clock would forget its job of ringing. Something falls and breaks. It was Neha's alarm clock. Neha becomes happy as she can get up late the next day. Next day, there was no alarm clock. Neha sleeps and sleeps. The chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha sleeping. Students, windowsill means the place at the foot of the window. The birds said, "Wake up, dear, wake up fast." Neha gets up and says, "Oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds." She wanted the birds to leave her alone. And her wish comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Students, can you guess who it is? Yes, it's the big bright sun fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Neha says, "Oh, my eyes! Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he leave me alone?" And this wish of Neha also comes true. So, the next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother said, "Wake up, sleepyhead, you will miss the bus." Students, sleepyhead means a person who wants to sleep for a longer time. Neha says, "Oh no, why does mother has to wake me up?" But she realized there is no escape. So she gets up and gets ready. Escape means to get away. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha asks mother, "Ma, who woke me up today?" Mother smiles and says, "Who else? You, of course." But Neha says, "I was sleeping. How could it I?" Mother explains her by asking, "Why do you have your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon?" Neha says, "Because I feel hungry." "Why do you sleep at 9 every day?" She says, "Because I feel sleepy." Mother tells her that there is a clock inside us which tells us when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Neha now understood. She was trying to rush school as she didn't want to miss the bus. Mother tells her to relax as it was a Sunday. Students, relax means to calm down. Now, let us learn some new words from the lesson. Always remember importance of time, exercise daily, appreciate the nature, sleep and wake up on time, obey your parents and elders. Children, for homework, read the lesson, learn the spellings and meanings of new words. Take care and stay safe. Thank you, children.